Did you know most project failures happen due to poor phase decisions? It's a common trap in complex management.
In this video, we explore phase gates, decision-making, and choosing the right project approach for maximum success.
A phase gate is a formal decision point between phases, not just a progress review. It's the guardrail of your project.
It determines whether a project should proceed, pause, or stop, based on performance and alignment with strategic goals.
Effective governance requires a dedicated steering committee to review these gates, ensuring accountability at every step.
Before reaching a gate, specific entry criteria must be met. Think of it as your ticket to enter the decision room.
This includes finalized documentation, verified quality checks, and technical sign-offs from your lead engineers.
Exit criteria are what you need to move forward. It's the formal approval that triggers the release of resources for the next phase.
In predictive or waterfall models, phase gates are rigid. You finish one phase completely before the gate opens for the next.
This is ideal for projects with stable requirements and a clear end goal, like large-scale infrastructure in Bengaluru.
Now let's pivot to Agile. Here, phase gates are more fluid, occurring at the end of every sprint or iteration.
Decisions are based on continuous feedback. The gate isn't just a hurdle, it's an opportunity to pivot or persevere based on real results.
For complex Indian enterprise projects, we often use a hybrid approach, combining waterfall planning with agile execution.
This gives you the governance of formal gates, while maintaining the speed and adaptability of agile teams on the ground.
Every gate decision must align with the organization's overall strategy. Is the project still delivering the promised value to the brand?
At Agile Indian, we focus on value-driven project management. We don't just finish tasks, we deliver measurable results that matter.
Phase gates are also your primary risk management tool. They allow you to stop high-risk projects before too much capital is sunk.
Remember, the gate decision isn't just on the project manager. It's a collective responsibility of the entire governance board.
Look at major Indian infrastructure projects. Strict phase gates ensure that engineering and ESG standards are met at every milestone.
To succeed, set clear criteria, build strong governance, align with strategy, and choose the approach that fits your specific project complexity.
Mastering phase gates is the first step toward project excellence. Visit androindian.com for more deep dives and expert guides.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. I'm your guide for today. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.